I am going to cook some pad thai. Then, yummy.
You jump some jump.
So guys, today is New Year's Eve. As of this moment, it's 8 p.m. I am supposed to make a pad thai and also fresh Thai spring rolls, but unfortunately today afternoon started, there's no electricity and was back around 6, but that was only 30 minutes, and then it's brown out again. So as of now 8, it's brown out, still brown out. So hopefully later I can make a live stream, because I supposed to post like notification for live stream, but I think I'm gonna do it on the spot around 11 p.m. if we have power around 11, so I can start my live during that time. And yeah, that would be on the spot. As of now, I can't make any Thai spring rolls and pad thai because I wanted to make one for my whole family to taste the specialty in Thailand, which is I love it. So I am going to practice myself cooking it also, so that I can make my own, because I can't travel to Thailand. Anyway, so this is the only light I have right now. So we are going to wake up 11 p.m. today. Sophia is on the bed, so I am going to bed also, and see you in the live stream. I will link the live stream here at the top here. See you. Hi guys, welcome to another vlog and Happy New Year everyone. Today is January 1, 2022. Welcome everyone. What is your New Year's resolution? But we are not going to talk about it today, but I am going to cook some pad thai, since it's like one of my favorite food from other country. I am going to cook one today because I wanted to make my parents or my whole family taste the pad thai. And since I'm craving and I want to practice making some pad thai, so if you like this kind of video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos and for more cooking vlogs, for more Philippines lifestyle, rural lifestyle, countryside lifestyle. So let's start. So first, I'm going to prepare the sauce. For the sauce, you have, this is calamansi, and you can use lime. Since calamansi is sour than lime, we are going to put just 1/4. For 400 grams, you have half cup. So this is 1/4. And then we are going to put some apple cider. This is not included, but I just like to put apple cider since it's kind of vinegar and sour. 1/4 cup of apple cider. 1/2 cup of patis. This is patis, guys. 1/2 cup patis. And then 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Yeah, this is the only brown sugar I have, but I'm gonna ask mom. 1/2 cup of brown sugar. The other ingredients is tamarind paste, and we don't have tamarind paste here, so we can use sinigang. This is my first time cooking this, so I'm gonna try on this sauce so that I'll know if this is gonna be good, so I can cook next time with these recipes. So I have here sinigang tamarind soup, and since this is a powder, we are going to put 2 tablespoons. I'm so excited how this one tastes. So this is the tamarind with lemongrass sinigang mix. We are going to put 2 tablespoons, I guess. Melt it. Then let's add another one. Wait, I think half. just half tamarind powder. Ooh, I hope this one's okay. Since we are just trying to experiment because we don't have those real pad thai sauce, so we just have this Philippine made sauce. And other ingredients, we have peanuts, Thai noodles. It's originally from Thailand. Of course, you need eggs, but we are going to prepare it later. So this is just my sauce. So I have here 5 eggs. Oh my gosh. So 2 of this we are going to make omelette, fried it and chop it. And then the 2, we are going to mix it with pad thai later. I have here some egg yolk. This is from yesterday. I put it in the fridge anyway, so I think it's okay. So let's mix it here because I cooked cake yesterday and I have ice cream cake later. Mix, put some patis, half of 1/4. Then fried it. So I have here, I prepare the ingredients. By the way, I boiled it for almost 5 minutes. Just pinch it. And I have here some green onions, garlic, chicken. I'm gonna fry that one, and then this one's for later, onion. So, and this is the sauce that I made earlier, and then I have this one. That's it. Let's start cooking. So since we don't have gas as of now, so I am gonna use this, and also it's bright here than inside in the kitchen, so I'm going to cook using this pot. This is charcoal. So I put the egg. I forgot filming. So it doesn't need to be perfect because I'm gonna slice it later anyway. First, put oil, then the white onions, this part, some garlic, then put some patis to taste the chicken, about 1 tablespoon. Oops!
Mali ko na akong lagi din ha.
Pad Thai. Pad Thai. Kainit ba? Kaya naman ko lula. By the way, I put 3 eggs. This is the sauce that I prepared earlier. Just put it. Today, this is what it looks like.
Yung pastan.
Ha? Hindi na.
Dapat lagi na nang at ligmin mo to.
Hindi ba kami? Kaluto-sukad.
Ang pagtimpla anak mo ay kuno ni mga lami ba?
Pad Thai, lots of Pad Thai. By the way, I have the thick size because they don't have the half part of this noodles. I just have this kind of noodles. But it should be the small one. Noodles. Add this. Add some peanut, guys. It should be in the plate, but I prefer doing this so that I can mix it all here. Then add some egg. Wow, lots of peanut. Let's taste it. So this is what it looks like, guys. Lots of peanuts. No. It's not the real Thai taste, but at least, you know.
Me?
Yeah. Because she's my mom. Anyway, it's really, for a first timer like me, this is better, you know. Hindi man ma.
Lambi man.
This is gonna be my breakfast.
Sa may support ni may ko nga.
Lambi man
na lalanon.
Tanan na magini siya. Yun siya sudan.
Wala ko ikanon.
Yummy. Yummy. Success. Yummy, 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 yummy. Ooh, yummy.
A few moments later.
So guys, I am now trying to cut Sophia's nails. You have to do this when she's sleeping, because when she's not sleeping, it's like that. So, you can't concentrate cutting her nails. Sorry, sorry. Happy New Year, everyone! I just took a shower after cooking and eating breakfast. I usually cut her nails probably twice a week because it grows so fast. And if you don't cut her nails, it's going to scratch her face. Oh, it's been raining. So guys, even if it's holiday, I'm still going to edit some videos to post. Because trying to post much videos this holiday so that it won't be so behind, because it's New Year, it's Christmas, and then when I film Christmas, I can upload it by New Year, just like that, So I'm just trying to upload it as fast as I can. And I have a new video this coming Sunday. Every Sunday, 9 p.m. Yeah, I changed the time to 9 p.m. And that would be early morning in United States. So guys, I have here, this is going to be one of the raw videos. I have here breadfruit. If you haven't seen breadfruit, and I will link in the screen what it looked like. We actually think that it was like a vegetables, but when I searched online, it was actually a breadfruit seeds, the name, and then in Bisaya we called it kamansi. So this is what it looks like. So just open it, just press. So after you remove the outer shell, there is a brown shell, which is you can eat. I prefer removing it before I eat because it feels like you're eating a paper. So you can't remove all. It takes time. Anyway, just this. It tastes like potato. It tastes like potato. Have you seen breadfruit? Or have you eaten one before? Watching the baby. Gisam sa'yo. Si dance. Jump, jump.
Jump, jump.
Yung sayo rin yan din. Yan na, yan na, yan. Matusad ng yan.
Yan. Yan sila magkatawa ng hamon.
Ambil, ambil.
Tim Tim. Ah. Tim Tim. Lala, na. Uy, come here. Babies. Mom and Dad. You got new babies? So, Tim Tim and Tam Tam got 9 babies at this time. Look, oh, so cute. Tam? Tim?
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago.